Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am here to discuss about addition and subtraction. So all of you take your maths book. This is your maths book, maths steps, step B. Open your maths book, take page number 16 here. 16. Fill in and find addition facts. Addition means more. Addition gives more. Okay. What is given here? 1 plus 1. We have to add it and write in the empty space. So I am going to do this for you. You also take your book, along with your book take your copy. Take square ruled copy. Square ruled copy is for doing maths. Okay, square ruled copy you take and do the addition. I am going to do for you here. 1, what is given here? 1 plus 1. So first this one, put a line here. 1. Okay. The next one I am writing with a blue pen. So, blue pen. I have used here red pen and a blue pen. So you can see it very clearly. But you use pencil. Don't use any pen. You use pencil. This is pencil. Take out your pencil and do it. 1 plus another 1. Okay, 1. So you count 1 plus 1. 1 and 1 becomes how much? 2. So you have to write here 2. Here you write 2. Next one you see 1 plus 2. So first you put a line 1. It is 1 here, no? So put a line for 1. The next, what number is given here? 2. Then 1, 2. So count it all together. Count this all lines. 1, 2, 3. How many all together? 3. Okay, write 3. Write here 3. Then again here 2 plus 1. So first 1, 2 line I wrote here. Okay, next what is here? 1. Again write 1. So count it together. 1, 2, 3. How many it became? 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1, how much we get? 3. So write in your book 3. Next 1 plus 3. How will you do this one? First 1, the 1 is given. So put a 1 line here. Okay. So afterwards 3. 1, 2, 3. Count all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much we get here altogether? How much we get here? 4. That is 1 plus 3 becomes 4. You write here 4. Again, next one is 2 plus 2. So the first number is 2. Put 2 line. 1, 2. Next is also 2. 1, 2. Now count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether how many numbers, how many lines we get altogether? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. So here also write 4. Again 3 plus 1. So what is here? What number is this? This one is 3. So put a 3 line. 1, 2 and 3. What is the next number? Next number is 1. 1. So count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1, what we get? 4. 3 plus 1, 4. So here you write 4. Next one is 1 plus 4. So what number is this? 1. You have to put one line. You have to write one line. Next is 4. Put a 4 line. 1, 2, 3, 4. And since it is addition, we have to count it togetherly. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much we get after counting? We get 5. That is 1 plus 4, 5. So you write here 5. Next 2. 2 plus 3. So here the number is 2. So here you put 2 lines. 2. 1, 2. And the second number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3, how much we get? We get 5. So write here 5. Next 3 plus 2. So here the number is 3. Put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. The second number is 2. 1, 2. Since it is addition, we have to count all togetherly. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. Okay. So after counting here we get 5. 3 plus 2, 5. So here 5. Again 4 plus 1. So here the number is 4. That's why I am writing here 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the second number is 1. That's why I am putting here 1 line only. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4 is given. That's why I wrote here 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 1 is given in the next. That's why I wrote here 1. So altogether if I count, it becomes 5. Here you write 5. So you can see 1. So you can see here 1 plus 4 also becomes 5. 2 plus 3 also becomes 5. 3 plus 2 also becomes 5. And 4 plus 1 also becomes 5. Okay. The number, the result which I got is same, but the numbers are interchanged. After interchanging the numbers also, we are getting the same answer. Here I have done some of the additions to make you understand how to do the additions. The rest of the additions you can practice at home. Okay, so you can practice. Here I have done these additions. You can practice the rest of the additions at home. Take out your you can take your square box, square ruled copy and practice it. Okay. Now moving forward with page number 17. Here what is given? Write 10 to 1. So from backward, normally we count numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. But it is written here, write 10 to 1. That means from backward we have to count. Okay. 10, 10, 10. You have to write here 10, 10, 10. Okay. What is the next number? 9. You write here 9. 9. 9 is given here already. Next next empty box you write 9 and 9. Next 8. So in the empty box I am writing here 8. Next 8 is already given in the book. The next in the next empty box again 8. 8. 8. Since you can see these numbers I am counting these numbers from backward. 10, 9, 8, then 7. 7 is written in the book. Again 7. Next 6. 6 is there in the book. Then in the next empty box 6 and 6. Next 5 is given. 5 you write here 5. 5 is given. 5. Next 4 is given here. 4 and 4. Again after 4, before 4 what comes? 3 is given. 3. Now 2. At last 1 is given. Here in empty box we will write 1 and 1. So backward I have written these numbers from backward. Okay, since the question is write 10 to 1. Okay, if the question B is like write 1 to 10, then you will write 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1 you will start. Okay, but since the question is here write 10 to 1, so from 10 to 1 you will write. Okay, as I have written here. So moving to the next page. Page number 18. Count down from 10 to 1. Again you have to count from 10 to 1 from backwards. Okay, so how you will count? You see here how many stars? Here the stars are given. What number is this? 10 minus 1 equal to 9 is given in your book. Okay, so 10. How many stars you will draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 stars I have drawn here. From these 10 stars I am cutting 1 star. Since it is minus means minus gives us less. Minus means reduction. Okay, reduction. So we are cutting 1 star. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stars are there. So it is 9 stars here. Next one, 9 minus 1 equal to. Now I am doing here. I am 9 stars. I am putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From 9 stars, if I minus 1, that means I am cutting down 1. Okay, so 1 star I am removing or cutting it. Okay, so how many stars left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 left. Okay, that is 9 minus 1, 8, and 8 is lesser than 9. Okay, next 8 minus 1 equal to. So first you write 8 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. Okay, I have drawn here 8 stars. From these 8 stars I am reducing 1 star. I am cutting 1 star. Okay, so 1 star. Now how many stars remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 stars remain. That is 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 7 minus 1. How much we get? Let's see how much we get. So 7 stars. I'll draw here 7 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So from this 7 I have to cut this one star. Okay, I have to remove this 1 star. Okay, if I cut this 1 star, how many stars will remain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many stars we get? 6 number stars. Okay, that is 7 minus, if we reduce, if we remove, if we subtract 1 from 7, we get number 6. So I have done here some subtractions. Okay, so rest you can practice at your home the same way how I did here. This practice, take your rough copy, take your maths copy out, that is 4 ruled copy, and practice it. Moving forward with the revision, that is page number 19. Again here revision, subtract. So what is the first one? 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. How to find out 4 minus 1? If we reduce, if we subtract 1 from 4, what number we get? So first you have to put 4 line, that is 1, 4 number 4, no? So first 4 is given. So first 4 lines you have to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the 4 lines, I wrote here 4 lines. Okay, so how many numbers we have to subtract from 4? We have to subtract 1 from 4. That is remove 1 number. That is cut down 1 number. Okay, so how many lines remained? 1, 2, 3. So 3. So 4 minus 1 we get 3. Next one is 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2, how much we get? Let us find. First put 5 line. 1, 5. Number 5, no? This one is number 5. So put 5 line. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I wrote here 5 lines. Okay, so from this 5 line, what should be subtracted? So 2 should be subtracted. That is cut down 1, 2. 2 lines you cut. Okay, so how many remained? 1, 2, 3. So what we get? 5 minus 2, we get 3. The next one is 7 minus 4. What we have to do here? First we have to put a line, 7 lines. Okay, so 1, because 7 is here. From 7 we are subtracting 4. So 7 lines. Put 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written here 7 lines. From this 7 line, how many lines I have to reduce? How many numbers I have to reduce? 4. Number 4. So cut down. How many lines I have to cut? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I cut the 4 lines from the 7, how many lines remain? 1, 2, 3. So 3. We get 3. 7 minus 4. We get 3. Now 6 minus 5. How will you find that? 6 minus 5. How much we get after subtracting 5 from 6? So first you put a 6 lines, since 6 is greater than 5. Okay, so 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines. I have written here 6 lines, and from these 6 lines 5 is getting subtracted. Okay, so 5 I have to cut. 5 lines I have to cut it out. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many lines remain? Only 1. So 6 minus 5, how much? 1. Since only 1 line remained, that's why. Okay, So if we subtract 5 from 6, we get 1. So here I have done some of the subtraction here. Rest of the subtractions you can practice yourself. Now moving forward with page number 20, that is fill in and find subtraction facts. The same thing, okay, subtraction facts, that is 2 minus 1. So how much we get? 2 minus 1. What I told, first you have to write this 2 1, okay, 2. So I wrote these 2 lines. After that, what number is given here? 1. So what number is given here? 1. Okay, 1. We have to we have to, 1 is given, first number is 2, okay. So from 2 we have to cut this 1 number you have to cut, okay. So what remains? Number 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. Next one is 3 minus 2. So how will you do this one? So this one we will do like this. 1 number, 3 numbers, 3 is given here. So 3 lines, 1 2 3 lines I wrote here, okay. So 3 lines I have given here. And after that, what we have to subtract from 3? What number we are subtracting from 3? We are reducing number 2, subtracting number 2. So cut down these 2 lines. 1 from this 3 line, I'm going to cut this 2 lines. Since we are subtracting this 2, how many remained? How many numbers remained? 1. How many lines remained? 1. So you write here 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Next one is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So we are subtracting 3 from 4, okay. So 4, first 4 lines, first 4 is given, no, the 4 you will put 4 lines, 1 2 3 4. So from this 4 we are going, I am going to subtract 3 here, 3 lines, okay, since 3 is given. So 1 2, I am cutting down these 3 lines, 1 2 3. So after what remains? Only 1 line remained, okay, that is 1. 4 minus 3, we get 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. Now, so next 3. Now 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. How we will do this one? First put the 3 lines, okay, write 3 lines, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So how will you subtract 1? So I will show you how to subtract here. This 1 1 2 3. After writing these 3 lines, we have to cut down this 1 line. Since we here written 1, we are subtracting 1 from 3. So cutting down 1, how many lines remain? 1 2. So write 2. Next one is 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, how will you do? First you put 1 2 3 4, okay. So 4 lines, I wrote here 4 lines. From these 4 lines, I am removing this 2 line, I am cutting this 2, okay, 2 lines, okay, because here the next number is 2, that is we are subtracting this 2 from 4, okay. So I am removing this. Then how many remain? 1 2. So 2. 4 minus 2, 2, okay. So all these things you will write in the empty space provided in your book, okay. So 2 minus 1, how much we got? 1. You will write 1. 3 minus 2, how much we got? 1. Then 4 minus 3, how much we got? 1. Then again next we'll go for 3 minus 1, how much we got? 2. You will write here 2. 4 minus 2, how much we got? 2. The next one is 5 minus 3. So first 5 lines, okay. Since it is number 5 is given, so you write 5 lines. 1 2 3, 4, 5. You put 5 lines. From this 5 lines, you have to cut down 3. Since 3 is subtracted from 5. 1, 2, cut down 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines I have cut it down. Okay. So here 1, 2. How many lines remain? 1, 2 lines. That 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. 2 we get. Okay. So you write this 2 in the book. So I have done here sum of subtractions to make you understand. Hope you understood the subtraction and addition, how I have done the subtraction and addition. So if you have any doubt here, you can contact me at night from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Thank you.